now? Right. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So in this class, we'll be dealing about gravitational potential energy. We'll be dealing about gravitational potential energy. To understand this concept, we are just briefing up. We are just recapping the things in the form like this. Whether you know potential energy or not, whether you know work done or not, and whether we know work energy theorem or not. By definition, what is potential energy? Potential energy is the amount of energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. Where exactly? Usually that in terms of height we take. Depending upon the height where it is present, to the height, that energy is given by means of mgh. Whereas there is one more form of energy called as kinetic energy, which is possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. If a body has got velocity moving, if a body is in motion, and that kinetic energy is given by means of what? Half mv². Now we are not bothered about this. But by making use of kinetic energy and potential energy, you can talk about total mechanical energy. Total mechanical energy is equals to sum of kinetic energies and potential energies. K indicates kinetic energy, U indicates potential energy. Sum of these two energies is called as total mechanical energy. This is called as total mechanical energy. So potential energy, every object is storing some energy within it. Every object is storing some energy within it. With the help of that energy, it is able to do some work. It should have some energy with that. That energy in a body is stored in the form of a potential energy. Potential is a tendency, capacity of doing work. If a body has stored some energy within it, then it is said to have potential energy. With the help of that potential energy, body can able to do work is nothing but moving from one place to other place. I got some messages. Sir, sucking, can't see anything, sir. Yeah, I'm sorry, the app is not working fine today. Can you hear me now? Even I got that doubt. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Tell me first of all. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, I would like to tell you that app is not responding properly today. I don't know where updated. I already updated, sir, Ramya. I have already updated. It is till date updated. No issues with that. It's okay. I think signal issues are going on here in campus. There are some signal problems. I have come to the same place where I used to take every day. There other days there are no issues. Let us go ahead. Thank you. Please wait for 5 minutes, then you'll check out if I can find out they are coming back or not. Right? So I'm trying to describe these things. You know, stored energy, then it can do some work. And based upon these things, how much of work a body does, work energy W, any amount of work by utilizing the stored energy. Okay, right, started recording also. What is that? Now what is this? Okay, I'm defining. What is gravitational potential energy? If a body does work under the influence of gravitational force. In gravitational force means what? It should move on the surface of any planet. And we precise only stick to Earth. If a body does work on the surface of the Earth, how many forces are acting on the body? One force is the applied force which makes the body to move. If a body is going up or down, if a body is thrown, it is now moving in the region of what? Energy possessed at different locations. It is going to have different energies at different locations, right? When a body is moving, simply like this. From the center of the earth, you are throwing a body upwards. From the center of the earth, no matter you throw from the surface of the earth, but we consider this as throwing from the center of the earth. I think it has gone. Yes. Okay. Break out from this, sir. Right. Right. Now it could be clear. Now body is thrown vertically upwards. If a body is thrown vertically upwards, gravitational force is going to act in the downward direction. Work is being done in moving from one region of gravitational force to the other. I mean, it is now body is moving under the influence of gravitational force. To do this work, it should have some energy with that. To do some kind of work against the gravitational force, maybe against, because we can't say every time against only. Sometimes it would come down also. If the body is throwing upwards, after going to certain height, what happens? It should again fall down. When it is falling down, body is not doing work against the gravity, it is doing work in the gravitational force. So work done. So you cannot say work done against the gravity. For a body going upwards, work is done against the gravitational force. For a body falling down from top, it is going to work in the gravitational force. This amount of work, in order to do this work, body should have some energy with that. That stored energy to do this work is called as that stored energy to do this. Is this point clear? Definition of gravitational potential energy? No responses. Not hearing, I suppose. Vinpartun. Interesting. Right. Have you listened what is gravitational potential energy? Durga Prasad Unnadu. Okay. Yes, sir. Is the definition of gravitational potential energy clear? No response. No, sir. Not clear. Anjana, Giri, Nikita. Shall I repeat now one more time? Yes, sir. Okay. ఇంకోసారి చెప్తున్నా వింటారా? Yes. Okay. Generally, potential energy means a stored form of energy. ఒక వస్తువు లోపల ఎనర్జీని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. Stored form of energy is called as potential energy. What this stored form of energy will do? This stored form of energy will make that body to do some work. When you apply force on a body, body is moving. But when the body has to move, it should do some work, right? That work done by the body because of the stored form of energy is called as potential energy. And if that work is done in the presence of gravitational field, gravitational force, when can a body have gravitational force? Body is either moving up from the surface of the earth, or if the body is moving down, it is said to be acted upon by gravitational force given by one of the planet, namely precisely earth it is. That work done in moving in this gravitational force by a body. If a body is moving in the gravitational force, it is doing some amount of work. To do that work in this gravitational force, it should have some stored energy with that. That energy is what we call it as gravitational potential energy. Body, all the bodies will be having potential energies with that. But that body which is doing work in the gravitational field given by any planet, or doing work in the presence of gravitational force, then the body is said to have gravitational potential energy with that. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే ప్రతి బాడీకి ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుంది, అది పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ఆ ఎనర్జీ వల్ల. బట్ ఆ వర్క్ కనుక గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ లో అయితే, ఆ వర్క్ చేసింది గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫీల్డ్ లో అయితే, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as gravitational potential energy. Sir, can we see your video? You can see me, but this is creating some disturbance today, so accordingly it is something like this. Let us check whether we can go like this or not. Right? A body is having potential energy doing work in the presence of gravitational field is called as gravitational potential energy. Force of gravity. Work done is equals to force into displacement. we know this definition, right? Work is equals to force into displacement. Right? Recording is also going on. Now this is the radius of the earth. From radius we throw a body up. When a body is moving from one location to other location, it is moving in the presence of g. When a body is moving from one location to another location, let us say one location as R2, another location as R1. A body is moving from R1 to R2. When a body is moving from R1 to R2, it is moving in the presence of gravitational field, gravitational force given by the planet Earth. Force is what kind of force now? Force is gravitational force doing some kind of work. How much is the change of displacement now? Change of displacement is h. Change of displacement in final position minus initial position. Difference in these two positions is called as h. Right? Difference between these two positions is called as earth. Now this amount of work done is called as gravitational potential energy denoted by the letter R, denoted by V, where any body what is thrown up is having some mass with that, and force because on that mass is given by means of what? Mg. At this location, how much is the force acting on the water? What weight acting downwards and into h. Formula of potential energy what we already know. Do we know this formula or not? Potential energy is given by mgh. When g is constant, is g remaining constant or changing? Is g remaining constant or changing? Yes. Not breaking. Voice is breaking. Voice is not clear. Oh. It's okay. Let us hang up now. I'll post video. I'll post one video, today's video, in the Google Classroom by afternoon. Okay. We can close this class today. I'm closing this. Bye.